channel. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ashka, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to reduce your dark circles using green tea ice cubes. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So I used the green tea leaves in making my eyes. बनाने की बहुत सिंपल प्रोसेस है, रेगुलर जो करते हैं वही. पहले पानी उबाल लो, उसके अंदर ग्रीन टी लीव्स डालो, थोड़ी देर रहने दो, and that's it. You have done. You have your green tea ready. Now you have to drink it. You heard me right. You have to drink it. सीधा पहले ही आइस प्लेट में नहीं डाल देना है. First you have to drink it. After drinking it, you stir it, right? The green tea leaves, you have to stir it. So there will be remaining green tea leaves which you will have, right? So that leaves you have to use it again for making ice cubes. Leaves have some amount of all those good things that a green tea has in it still, and you cannot waste it directly or you cannot let it go directly. अभी जो green tea leaves बाकी है और आपने जो स्टर किए हैं उनमें आप फिर से पानी डालेंगे. Let it sit overnight or let it sit for a day for 8 to 10 hours, and then you have to stir the mixture and pour it in the ice plate. Now you can add aloe vera in this also, because as we all know aloe vera is so beneficial for our face. So आप aloe vera भी डाल सकते हो. Use a good aloe vera gel. या तो आप directly aloe vera plant में से निकाल लो, that is the best thing you can do. या तो फिर use 100% pure aloe vera gel. Now what you have to do is you have to freeze it overnight or for 8 to 10 hours, and we have our green tea ice cubes ready.
Hi guys, this is editing Ashka. I'm sorry my voice is not doing well right now. But first you have to take your green tea ice cubes. I've taken it in a bowl because we need the water, remaining water. So if you want to take it directly, then it's your choice. If you want to take it in a bowl, then it's also your choice. First, start massaging the cube under your eyes like so. First, do it downwards. Now, if you also want to massage it above your eyes, then you can do it like this. First, you go upwards and then bring it downwards and do it in an upward and downward motion.
After doing everything, you will have some water left in the bowl. तो वो भी हमें जाने नहीं देना. We don't waste anything on this channel. What you have to do is you have to take this. You just have to massage it on your face because it would be ice water. Green tea ice water, and ice water is so important for your face. If you don't know that how important it is, then you have not watched my previous video. क्या कर रहे हो आप? जाओ जाके देखो पहले वो यार. क्या कर रहे हो? नहीं, पहले ये पूरा देख लो फिर वो देखना, ठीक है?